Among the most difficult enrollment challenges that agents encounter is choosing the right election periods on applications for Medicare Part D and Medicare Advantage products. Hi, I'm Danielle Roberts, member of NAHU's Medicare Advisory Group, here to discuss election periods and some of the mistakes that agents make in choosing election periods. Fortunately, agents aren't without resources when it comes to choosing an election period for each client's application. Several major Medicare Advantage companies publish detailed election period guides to try to help us, which is no small feat. These guides are often 15 pages or more, and new election periods are added almost every year. So staying on top of election periods is an ongoing task for agents who work in the Medicare space. In this video, let's take a look at some common mistakes that agents make when it comes to the fall annual election period. The fall annual election period runs from October 15th to December 7th each year, and as far as election periods go, this one is the most used and easiest to understand. Even still, using the AEP election code is not without occasional errors. During the AEP, you can help your clients enroll in, disenroll from, or change their Medicare Advantage plans and Part D drug plans. The first mistake agents sometimes make when using this election code has to do with the effective date of the client's new plan. Enrollment submitted for new plans using the AEP election code will always have an effective date of January 1st. This means you need to choose carefully if your client is retiring and needs a November 1st or December 1st effective date. The AEP is a busy time, and it's all too easy to check the AEP box on every application, but now you've left your retiring client uncovered for a month or two at the end of the year. Paying attention to non-AEP plan transitions at the end of the year is vital. Another common mistake occurs when agents help a client transition from Medicare Advantage back to original Medicare during the AEP. Most clients making this change want a Medigap plan to go alongside their original Medicare. But there's an order of events here that is very important if your client does not have a special election period specifically for leaving Medicare Advantage plans in the first 12 months. You should first help your client apply for the Medigap plan to make sure that he or she can get approved. Underwriting will apply in most states and in most circumstances, and there may not be a guarantee of coverage. Furthermore, the carriers are swamped at this time of year, and underwriting may take several weeks. This means you need to submit that Medigap application as early in the AEP as possible so that you hear back from the underwriter before the AEP ends on December 7th. Submitting the application too late may mean that the Medigap plan gets approved after December 7th, and now you've lost your window to disenroll from the Medicare Advantage plan and help your client pick up a Part D drug plan. Here's a better solution. If your client contacts you late in the AEP and you suspect there is not enough time for that Medigap application to get approved before December 7th, you can submit the Medigap application for February 1st. Then use the Medicare Advantage open enrollment period that starts in January to disenroll from the MAPD and pick up a Part D drug plan after you have received approval from the new Medigap carrier. There's another mistake that's easy to make in this order of events when you are very busy during the AEP, and that's helping the client enroll in a standalone Part D drug plan to pair with their new Medigap plan. Enrolling your client in the Part D plan while waiting for the Medigap application to be approved will cause, of course, a disenrollment from the Medicare Advantage plan. Then, if the Medigap plan ends up being denied, you may be scrambling to re-enroll your client into their former MAPD or finding another one before the AEP ends on the 7th. We all know that finding a new Medicare Advantage prescription drug plan for a client takes time to check provider participation. You'll also need to ensure that the drug formulary includes all of the client's necessary medications. So it's important to wait on doing that Part D enrollment until you are sure the client has their Medigap plan approved for January 1st. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.